Hi, I am Riham Ayoubi and I'm presenting an antibody characterization project for ALS targets. This project started in Peter McPherson's lab when Laflamme needed to find good quality antibodies for his protein of interest C9orf72. So to be able to test commercial antibodies, they developed this knockout-based validation pipeline. It is a side-by-side comparison of wild-type and knockout samples, where only a specific signal would disappear in the knockout. We are currently scaling up this pipeline with the help of multiple manufacturers in the industry, and with their help, Icarus started, an antibody characterization through open science initiative. Most ALS-related targets are poorly characterized, and we're in need for high-quality antibodies to unlock the possibility of studying them, which is why we started screening antibodies for several ALS targets. And we will continue in the next few months with this project so we can find good quality antibodies for each target you can see here. Today I will show results for P62. 18 antibodies were tested for this protein, and each antibody was tested for 3 applications: Western blot, IP, and IF. I will focus on 2 antibodies as an example today. For Western blot, wild-type and knockout samples are shown side by side, and each panel is labeled with the antibody's catalog number. For this first antibody, it's highly specific because the one band showing in wild-type disappeared in P62 knockout. For the second antibody, it recognized P62, but also other non-specific bands. For IP, 10% starting material, 10% unbound fraction, and the RP are shown side by side, and we can see that this antibody immunoprecipitated most P62 present in the wild-type lysate. This second antibody is also suitable for this application, but is less efficient. For IF, a mosaic technique is used where wild-type and knockout samples are on the same cover slip, but labeled with 2 different fluorescent markers so we can distinguish the two. The first antibody did not perform well by IF, although it recognized the protein by Western blot and IP. The second antibody shows a specific signal by IF, although it wasn't ideal for Western blot and IP, proving that an antibody is a fit-for-purpose reagent. This same protocol will be used to screen antibodies for the rest of the targets. A huge thank you to our funders, collaborators, and the team. Thank you for listening.